Need to. I was on my student call this morning and I was on mute the whole time, like for a very long time. But now it's okay. Thanks. So again, in this ES short, if you want more information, just email me, boltbotllc@gmail.com. We go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30 and then from 2 to 3 p.m. in the afternoon. We are now live on YouTube as well, so I'm going to share that with the group so they can join because they love to support. All right. Perfect. All right, I posted it there. Yeah, exactly. The bot does it all for you. There's no thinking involved. Also, gold is now green, $640 on this long. Let me see. Because I have them all on the same chart, I have to switch back and forth between accounts. So this is the gold trade. So between gold and ES right now, they are killing it. This is NinjaTrader, and I use NinjaTrader as my broker. It's kind of hard to see this box on this one, but this is green, $140 overnight. We can see what it did in real time. So it's taken two trades. It had a loss for $210 and it had a win for $350. So it's green, $140 on the day so far on this setup. And then we're in this unrealized long for $770.
Order submitted.
ES is still in its short for $1,362. YM is now in a long as well. No, I do not trade forex, but futures and forex are pretty much brother and sister. Like, they're pretty much the same. So if you trade forex, you could easily trade. You could easily trade futures. Yeah, sorry, I was switching this over. So we're still in this short of ES because they're on two different accounts. So this one is Wave, the other one is Bars. I have to switch the accounts when I want to show you guys the progress of them. So sorry about that. Hi, good morning. Yes, you can trade with multiple bots. Yes, absolutely. So you can, if range is best on NQ, which is one of our favorites, you could run NQ on range, and then you could run YM on scalper, and then you could run gold on bars or whatever. So yes.
Order filled.
Yeah, futures are awesome. There's not a big difference between Forex and futures. They're pretty much the same products. The biggest difference that I've noticed is that with Forex, they charge you based on the slippage or the space between your entry, that kind of stuff. But on the futures side, green 1500 now on ES. On the futures side, it's one set fee regardless. So this trade right here, for fees and commissions, it's going to cost me $4. But it's the same price every single time. So it's not like something that would confuse me or... Yeah, so Sean, I don't physically set it up. You set it up, but I give you step-by-step videos to do that. Are the algo fees drafted via the trading account or paid some other way? So to lease the algorithm, you pay through PayPal. Anything associated with the trading itself, so the fees that are associated with this trade are taken out from NinjaTrader, and that's through the brokerage account. Green, $1,550 on one. Oh, almost $1,600. We're also green at $900 on this gold long. $900 on this gold long.
Target filled.
What was that? Oh, it's 9:31. The market's open. We're also in a long on NQ. That's green, $200 and almost at target. We got a lot going on here. Hi, good morning. Nice, but maybe I should start doing future. Yeah, you should. Make sure you email me. So the win rate depends on which algorithm you're talking about.
Canceled.
Range on NQ is 95% over the last 18 months, which is insane. Oh, target hit online, so that's nice. That just hit target. We're green $900 on gold right now and $1,500 on ES. This is the S&P 500. Sean, I would have to pull that. I don't know it off the top of my head. Like yesterday we made $900. Last week we made $3,775. Today we're green $600 realized. So it all just depends. It depends on which strategy you're running. It depends on your account size, all of that. Braden, it's $500 for 21 days and then $1,000 every month after that. Yes, we have losses all the time. I just told you about a loss on gold. We had a $200 loss overnight and then we had a $350 win. So yeah, we have losses. We have losses all the time. That's very normal. Trading, there's absolutely no way in trading that you can't lose. There are times that you're going to lose. All right, so that hit target again on switch. Where do I have that? Oh, I have that here. So this is now green 2 for 2 on the day. This just plays at the open. There's a lot of things going on. YM is in a green long. ES we know is in that short. NQ's in a $400 long. See, like right here, this was a loss on NQ last night. It hit the trail stop for a loss. Now it's in a $400 long. So when I join, what algorithm would I have access to? So as soon as you join, you get access to range, which is this.
Order submitted.
This is gold. It traded overnight. It's 2 for 2. It had one trade here and it had another trade here. So range is the one with the blue box. That is what you get access to when you join.
Order canceled.
Oh. And then this is NQ range. So on range, we have several setups. We have NQ, we have gold, we have oil.
Filled.
And so that's what you start with. After your first week, you get access to other algorithms. You have to show that you're actually listening and paying attention, because I get a lot of people that don't listen and they don't pay attention, and then they set up everything wrong, and then they have a loss, and they're like, wait, why did I have a loss and everybody else is winning? No, this uses this uses NinjaTrader. You don't want to trade futures on TD Ameritrade. They rape you when it comes to fees and like commissions. Sean, anywhere from typically 40 to 50% of your account size. Like I have a $10,000 account and I easily make $4 to $5K every month. So this is NinjaTrader. When you trade futures, you want to trade futures on a futures-friendly broker.
Submitted.
Because if you're trading futures on Charles Schwab, or you're trading target filled, we hit another target. Was that this one? Was that on BBS? Yep, this one hit target again. So look, this one just had a loss. Look, win, small loss, win.
Order filled.
But it's green.
Target filled.
It's target filled.
Filled.
Target filled. Where are all these targets? You guys, what? Oh, early hit target. So early range just hit target. Here we go. So now it's 1 for 1 on the day for $200. So gold is 2 for 2 on the day, and now NQ is 1 for 1. So now instead of being green $600, we're now green $800 on the day, and it's 9:35 a.m. If you want more information, just email me. Yeah, the Sharpie depends on which setup you're talking about. I'll show you one that I posted last night. I think the Sharpie was like, actually, I don't remember what it is. 0.85. This is an overnight setup, and it's 0.85. This is since the beginning of the year, and the drawdown was only 1,500, and the Sharpie is 0.85. I have another one, though. Let me show you. Let me show you all of range for the year so far. Did I pin it? I pinned it here. Hold on. And then we can see what that is. So this is NQ range on the year so far. $50,000. Sharpie is 0.90. Yeah, I don't think you understand how the gross loss works. That doesn't actually matter. Well, whatever. I like to say Sharpie, so I'm going to say Sharpie because this is my stream and I can do what I want. Do you understand how a gross loss works? And again, this is including 5 full months. So the gross profit and the gross loss then give you the net profit. The net profit is $50,000. If you want to frown your face at $50,000 over 5 months, with it all being fully automated and doing everything for you, that's fine. So, congrats to you for like not knowing how that works at all. All right, ES is still in that short for $1,400. EV trades, I know you like that. Tyler, sure, email me.
Order submitted.
No.
Order submitted. Target filled.
The overhead to get started, it depends if you're doing cash or if you're doing a Apex account. So Apex is a fully funded prop firm. Apex, your overhead cost would just be $36 for the $50,000 account, and then the cost for the algorithm, which is $500 for the trial for 21 days. Justified, always haters around. Let's go, Lauren. Yeah, lots of haters. Because they're broke and they're sad that they can't use our algorithm because they're not cool enough. No, I don't really care. We'll just ignore them and focus on what we're doing, which is short in ES. NQ's also in a short, $135 on Wave. That's right here. This is the one that was just green in the long for $400. Oh, you know what I realized? I didn't set up Santa today, but whatever. And gold is still in that long. I'm going to show you guys gold. Gold is on bars. It's still in that long for $800. So look, gold is still in this trade. $890. This is one mini. Tater Tot said I'm broke and said, Tater Tot, you're in the group. Get out of here. Oh, really, Jen? Was Irma practicing her blocking and muting the whole time? So right now, the current trades that are happening, gold is long for $800. ES is short for $1,500. NQ is short for $115. Those are the trades right now.
Order canceled.
Yeah, I know that. Yeah. Hi, good morning. If you want to get started or get more information, just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. We're all about winning
Order
and not.
submitted.
Thanks for the heart. That's so sweet of you. $920 on this gold long.
Target filled.
Target filled. What was that on?
Order filled.
Order filled. That was Wave on NQ. Which one was the target? There's too many things running for me to keep them straight. NQ overnight on bars, which is this, is green $710.
Order submitted.
I'm excited about that. That's the next algo that I'm releasing to the group. So 3-leg, it depends. It depends. Listen, Tater Tot, I need you to get your stuff right before you get access to other stuff. Listen, people aren't getting access to the new algos if they're not showing that they can properly post what they're running every night and also not have any issues in the last week. If you've had issues in the last week, you're not getting the new algos. I was watching Missing. It was in the box office. What's the best amount to start with? So it just depends. I guess I would say the best would be $10,000 or more. But if you do an Apex account, what signals to buy or sell? I don't do signals. I have a fully automated trading system. That is what you're seeing here. It's getting me in the trades. It's getting me out of the trades. It's putting limit orders. It's putting trail stop and moving it up. This gold is just killing it. I need help with stop loss setting up. So if you're in the group, Defresh, we give you all of that. We have a white glove service. Irma is amazing. She is my onboarding specialist, and she helps you get everything set up. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Oh, well, I'm not telling you the code, Jay. That makes sense. Jay's like, oh, what tells your algorithm to buy or sell? Yeah, I'm not telling you that. That's literally what I've been working 3 years for. I have like 7 different algorithms. They all trigger off of different things. It's all based off of my manual trading, but none of that's going to be given here on a free live stream. My community service is going live and showing you how amazing my products are, not giving you the code to all of my algorithms that I've worked so hard for. Jay Down said, please give me your secret sauce for free. So yeah, if you see the different algorithms, they're all very different. They have different colors. They have different kind of things going on the chart. So, but yeah. ES is still in that short for $1,300. Obviously, you can close it at any time. Like at the open, it was green, 1,600. You could close this at any time if you wanted to. But I tell folks that they should just let the algorithm do its thing. It knows what it's doing. We have found the settings that work the best. I love it, William. Justified said, Lauren, your products are amazing, but you and your team are what the secret sauce is. Aw. I did see somebody showing how to make the Big Mac sauce yesterday on TikTok, so you're probably right.
Order submitted.
Yes, so Sean, that is the entire point of the algorithm. I don't have to be sitting here. It made me $600 overnight. It just made me $200 when I was talking to y'all and I didn't even know it was in a trade with NQ. It is 100% fully automated. It gets you in the trade, it gets you out of the trade, it moves your stop loss into the positive, it trails your trade. There is nothing you physically have to do but turn it on every night. You enable it and that's it. Tater Tot said, that's why I got it. I can't stay in to watch it all day. JP said, I'm up $800 today. Nice, JP. Yep, I'm up $800 too. I love it. It's great.
Order submitted.
I really want to start upping my size. So for a while, I was just saying, Jay Down said, I'm ADD. I like to watch it at work. That's fine too. If you're on, y'all, there's 40 people on YouTube. I'm going to start stopping my YouTube streams because y'all don't give enough love. Please hit the thumbs up button. Or I'll just cut the stream for YouTube real early. Folks just like to creep on YouTube. Nothing else. Just creep. All right, so this is today. Let's see. Brian. Jesus. Brian, Mike, hands free. Look at all of these Apex accounts. 400, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. And then look at Brian. $1,500 on every account. He has 20 accounts. What's 20 times $1,500? Somebody tell me.
Order filled.
He made $30,000 today, 100% hands-free on my algorithms. God, I made it this morning, so God bless gold, and a manual NQ trade that I was already discussing it on the morning call. So he got a NQ trade and gold because of the stuff that I've taught him in the mentorship and based off of our student morning call. Yes, you can do it from a laptop. Yeah, people always want whoever posts the most. Whoever has the biggest P&L is what people want. Look at Amber. She's trading just gold on her Apex accounts, and she made $7K today. You don't have to make a bunch of money to be successful. You could make $200 a day on 10 Apex accounts and be successful. Terrence made $700 already today, and this was before NQ, so he's up 900. Jay down 500. Mark, not a bad morning. I'm off to work. Have a great day. 6, 12, 18, $2,000. This was yesterday. So this was the start of today. This was yesterday. Look at all of Michael's accounts. Lieutenant Dan said, I made $960 in 20 minutes. That's awesome. Oh, thank you, YouTube. We got some likes in the chat. That's very nice of you. Ungroup. Very cool. Yeah, the missing was good. Missing was good. Why would that be the trade? If you need to find some James Bond flicks, no, I don't care about James Bond. So again, Sean, all of this is in the informational email. If you just email me, y'all, you will get all of this information that you need. I promise you. That's why I created an informational email. Evie said I'm up $800 today on the algos alone. Guys, this is set it and forget it, make it money. Levinsky said I made $900 while I was asleep. I love to hear it. And Lieutenant Dan said the day's not done. Why do people have multiple Apex accounts? The advantage of having multiple Apex accounts is because in the first 3 months, Apex limits how much you can withdraw per account. So they say you can only withdraw $2,000 per month per account. But if you have 10 accounts, then instead of only being able to withdraw $2,000, you are now able to withdraw $20,000. Yeah, I don't care about Top Gun. Oh, no. I don't like sweet movies, Jeanette. I like scary movies or like suspense. I'm not into action and I'm not into romantic comedy. Intervening shot. I think it's 2,000 per withdraw twice a month. No, it's 1,000 per withdraw. So you can withdraw twice per month, but it's 1,000 per account per withdraw. So it's 2,000 per month. So regardless, the reason why, like he was like, well, why would somebody do that? The reason why people have multiple accounts is because then they're able to take out more money each withdrawal. Does that make sense?
Order submitted.
Jay, we pause it only during FOMC news. We don't pause it any other time, only during FOMC. Gold is pulling back here. I want to show you NQ. So this is green 150 on the day so far, and then it's in this long for $260. It had a loss here, and then had a win, and now it's in this trade here. You don't have to have the trade copier, but you can. The trade copier is a one-time payment of $150. But you could also do it by just applying the algorithm to every single account that you have. Sounds like popcorn in that background. No, you don't have to type as fast as me. I know that there's a lot of old... I'm yelling at one of my students who's probably on this call. He is on this call. The trade copier is something that you can get from Apex. Again, the website is Apex Trader Funding. So if you have multiple Apex accounts, you can say, this is like account number 5 is my main account. I want whatever happens on account number 5 to then also happen on all of my other accounts. So then you have the same exact trades and essentially the same exact outcome on all of the accounts that you connected to account number 5. Does that make sense? So that's what my members do. Here, like look at Brent. Brent has multiple accounts, and you can see he has like the same totals on each one. 800, 800, 800, 800, 800. So he used the copier, most likely, on a lot of those.
Order canceled.
Mike probably used the copier on these 200, 185, 185. Like you can see that they're slightly off just because of the movement of the market. Look at all these 1400, 1400, 1400, 1400. So, you know, it can be slightly off. Yes, Jose, as long as the company of your funded account works with NinjaTrader, then absolutely. You can use, oh, this hit target. Nice. So this is now green, $550 on the morning. And this is the one that I think I want to start taking large sizing with. No worries. Yeah, if you have a funded account, you can withdraw, again, twice per month. Yes, but if I can have the algorithm do the same thing for every single account, I think it's just more about the convenience, Magnus, that people just get the copier. It's $150 and it's a one-time payment, so I think people don't mind paying that for, the kind of like the ease of setting up. Instead of having to set up 10 different accounts, you're setting up one account and then just saying copy all of, these trades essentially. So if you want to open a NinjaTrader cash account, the minimum funding is $2,000 to $3,000. Oh, Brian is correcting me. It is $2K per withdrawal, so $4K a month. So if we go back to that example, if you have 10 accounts, you can withdraw $40,000 per month. If you only had one account, you can only withdraw $4,000 per month.
Order submitted.
Sorry, Bess. Bess and Brian are getting me squared away here. Sorry for the miss. But it was more so about the example. Like, he was asking, why would I get... we're still in this gold long. He was asking, well, why would I want multiple Apex accounts? And that would be the reason. So again, Apex is doing an 80% sale right now. 80% sale, save 80, SAVE 80. And you can get a $50,000 account for $36. You're the boss. Thank you. Yes, Kenny is still in the group. He gets busy with work, so he doesn't post all the time. But yes, he actually liked one of my posts yesterday. Remember, tomorrow is FOMC minutes. Can I use the bot for alerts only with NinjaTrader or TradingView? Danny, you can. If you can run the algorithm on simulation, and then when it takes a trade, you get in that trade. But you're obviously going to have some type of slippage. Sometimes it could be positive, sometimes it could be negative, Danny. So that's up to you. The point of the algorithm is to just have the ease of having, like, this was trading overnight too. So I had these trades. This was a trade at 8 a.m., 8:30. This was a trade at 3:30. So I wasn't awake at 3:30 to make this money. Do you know what I mean?
Order filled.
So that's where the algorithm really comes into play. Yeah, exactly. You don't have to trade every day to be successful. Did this just have another win? Oh no, this is still the 550. So I'll show you the performance on this so far. What did this make yesterday? I can pull it up. So it's green $550. It's only taken 3 trades, and it had one loss for $250. What did this one do yesterday? $1,000? No, I think it was different. Do I not have this one on there? Maybe this did make $1,000 yesterday. I don't remember. I'm testing so many things. What's the biggest loss the bot took one day? Probably $3,000. $2,000, $3,000, something like that. If it's not NinjaTrader for my funded account, can I use the bot as an Ninja? No, so Jose, you don't need NinjaTrader as your account holder. The funded account will connect through connections. So as long as it's using like Rhythmic, I'll show you. These are the connections that NinjaTrader allows. So if your funded account, like, who is your funded account? Just tell me who your funded account is with, and I'll tell you if it works. Like, NinjaTrader works with Lilu. They work with UProfit, OneProfit, Apex. Like, there's a lot of funded accounts that they work with. You don't have to have a NinjaTrader account to use the NinjaTrader platform. You would sign in with your funded brokerage here. Oh, Looser. Yeah, I've never heard of them. You should email NinjaTrader and say, does your platform, and then who do you connect through? Are you connecting through Rhythmic? Like, how are your orders executed? Because then you can just email NinjaTrader and ask them, and they could give you that information. So gold is still in this long. Oh, ES took profit before, FYI, on this trade. This was the one that was green $1,500 since last night, and then it just took profit for $1,075. I don't know. I would ask. So it's through MT4, probably not. But you should email NinjaTrader or call them and ask. Yes, that's the whole point, Angel. People in my group are using Apex to trade my algorithm on any of the products. Gold, oil, the NASDAQ. No, nothing works with TradingView. Apex clearing execution. No, so it works with Apex either on Tradevate or Rhythmic. Those are the options. If you go to Apex's website, those are the only options they have. Apex Trader Funding. That's the company I'm talking about. It looks like this. Apex Trader Funding. And then if you click on sign up, it will take you to your options. So this is the main option. Rhythmic / NinjaTrader. This is what you want. $50,000 account is
submitted.
With the coupon code is $36. And you only pay monthly until you pass the evaluation. So like most of the people in my group using the algorithm will pass the evaluation within a week or two. So you don't pay Apex every month. You only pay them while you're in evaluation. So say you pay $36 and then you pass evaluation in the first month, you never pay them again, and then it just goes to that 90-10 split. They get 10%, you get 90%. Gold is still in this long green $1,000. I just saw it on the side. J Down said I'm halfway through evaluation in 24 hours. Exactly. So there's no after hours, Alan. We don't trade when the market is closed. When you use a futures broker like NinjaTrader or TradeStation or, I don't know, any of the other ones, they only charge you a higher margin when the physical market is closed. So the physical market is closed from 5 to 6 p.m. and then it's closed on the weekends. We do not trade during those times. We do not hold positions when the market is closed. So our margin never changes. So one contract here of gold, the margin 23 hours a day is $2,000. Bye, Levinsky. Thanks for the likes. Right. Once you pass evaluation on Apex, you do have to pay that one-time fee for the funded activation. I think that's $150. Is that what it is? What are your fees for the auto trader? Yep. So the auto trader is $500 for 21 days, which is the trial period. So if you want to try it out for 21 days, 21 calendar days, it is $500. Every month after that is $1,000. So did that make sense, Alan? So there's no after hours. Yeah, cool.
Submitted.
All right, I'm glad that helped. So anytime, like when
Filled.
if I'm running NQ overnight, like if I'm running this overnight, it's the same price as right now. So all 23 hours that the market is open, NinjaTrader gives the same pricing. Thomas, you can take as long as you want to pass evaluation. The minimum, pink is in a long green, $200. The minimum time to pass evaluation is 7 days. So even if you pass within 3 days, you still have to trade that account for 7 days total. So they want to see 7 days of trading. So if you hit the profit of $3,000 in 1 day, you would still have to physically take 1 trade a day for 6 trading days. Well, Tater Tot, that's why you need to make sure all of your settings are correct and get things correct and make sure we're all good. It's 21 calendar days, Herman. I just mentioned that. 21 calendar days. So you look at a calendar, 21 days. Yeah, it's all because it's a subscription through PayPal. So there's no way to exclude weekends. It's 21 calendar days. And that's 3 full weeks of trading. So say you sign up on a Sunday, you get to use the algorithm for 3 full weeks. Like, you know, Sunday to Friday, Sunday to Friday, Sunday to Friday. And then you say, oh, did I like how it worked the last 3 weeks? Do I want to stay? Do I not want to stay? Francisco, how are you? We'd love to have you back. We are green in this gold long, $860. Also in a long of NQ here, $160. This is the one that's green, $550 on the day so far. William, yeah, so these are some of the ones I'm testing. This is line, and then the other one, this is bars. The NQ on bars is green 710 overnight. Again, trades overnight where we are asleep. And these trades were happening. So it took profit here, here, here. Yeah, the bot is a lot of fun. So that goes back to, you know, being hands-free, letting the bot trade for you, being able to do anything else, being able to go to the gym or, you know, be on a work call or take your kids to school, whatever it might be, the bot is still going to trade regardless. A few more people are posting results. Let's look at those. Jared is up $800 today. Joshua is up $1,000. Nice job, Joshua. He's brand new. Look at Bubba. Look at all of Bubba's Apex accounts. Do you see this? He's making bank, and he can withdraw $4,000 per account every month. And what did he pay for these? He paid $36 one time and then paid $150 to activate the funded account. Nice job, Bubba. Gotta give some love. If you guys want more information, just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. How much do you have to deposit? So it depends. If you're doing a cash account, the minimum is $2,000 to $3,000. If you want to do an Apex account, you aren't depositing any cash. You are utilizing Apex's cash that they're going to give you to trade with. So it just depends on which option you're choosing. If you choose Apex, you just have to pay for the algorithm and the $36 price for a $50,000 cash account. Sorry, when you pass the test, do you keep the 100K you applied for to trade in? No. So they don't give you the cash. You are utilizing the cash to make money off of. Can the user change the contract size? Yes, you can change the contract size. So you could be running, you could have 10 different Apex accounts and run 10 minis on each Apex account. Yeah, so Apex is a fully funded program where it allows you to say, I want to try to pass this evaluation, and if you pass the evaluation, they give you a fully funded cash account. They don't give you the physical cash. This is Apex's website. If you want to learn more, I don't have an affiliation with them. I just really like them. Apex Trader Funding. You go and you click on sign up. They'll take you down to the bottom. This is what you want. The Rhythmic NinjaTrader plan. $50,000. Right now on sale, it's save 80. You get this for $36. So you could just buy one account. You can buy up to 20 accounts. The point is, they will give you a $50,000 cash account to trade with once you pass evaluation, which is very easy to do, especially with the algorithm. So the profit is $3,000. One of my members in the chat already said he's halfway there after 24 hours. Yeah, Danny, so it depends on which algorithm you're talking about, but anywhere from 55% to 95%. NQ range is 95% in the last 18 months. Do I need to pass evaluation for any account, only for one of them? No, so however many accounts you have to pass evaluation on each of them. But again, if you're using, you can get a trade copier where it will copy the trades from one account to all of your other accounts. Does that make sense? So then you are, you know, so then you're only really having the trades be done in one account, but then the copier is doing it for all the other ones. I want to show you guys. I'm trying to put these emojis here like this. Like this is, so this is an example. This is Brian. He has 20 accounts. He's using the trade copier and he made almost $1,500 on every single one of his accounts. What time does a person trade? You don't trade, John. The algorithm trades for you. It's 100% automated. You turn it on at night before you go to bed, and it does everything else for you. It gets you in the trade. It gets you out of the trade. It moves the stop loss. What if your bold bot loses Apex 50K? Thomas, you don't understand how this works. You can't lose the 50K. They will give you a threshold of $2,500. If you lose $2,500, then they cancel your account and you would have to restart if you wanted to do it again. There's no way that you're ever going to lose their money, and even the money that you do lose, you don't owe them anything. So again, if you got this account, you are risking $36 of your own money. It costs $36 to get this account. Who's this with, please? What platform? This is Apex. My algorithm. This is on NinjaTrader. If you want more information, just email me and I will give you an informational email that covers everything that you would need to get set up. So once you pass the evaluation, that's when you really want to be kind of careful and a little tighter, because at that point you have a $50,000 cash account and you can make money off of that. You can withdraw $4,000 per month. So if we look at my members, like he's withdrawing easily $40,000 or more per month. No, 80,000 because he has 20 accounts and it's 4,000 per month. So then let's look at Mike. Same thing with Mike. He's got a bunch of Apex accounts. He made, $200, $300 today on each of those. Brent made $800 on each of his accounts. 860, 860, 860, 860. Look at Bubba. Bubba has a whole bunch of accounts. Does the copy trader do it automatically? Yeah, so you purchase the copy traders $150. It's a one-time fee. And then you say, I want this to be the main account, copy to all of the other accounts. Or like he said, I want this to be the main account, copy to all of these accounts. So his $705 is then being reflected in all the other accounts. No, this is very easy for beginners. We hold your hand, we get you fully set up and everything. Jared is up $800. He just has one account. You can see that right here. Josh has 2 accounts. He's up $1,000. Mitch has 5 accounts. And he's up however much this is. 1,300, something like that. After I pass the challenge, how much can I lose, not lost, how much can I lose in a live account before I lost my live account? That's a good question. That goes back to the $2,500. So it's $2,500 until you get over the $3,000. So you start back at $50,000. You have the same trailing drawdown of $2,500. But once you pass, like once you get above $53,000, which is the $3,000 profit, then there's no more trailing drawdown and you just cannot go back below $50K. So they're never really going to risk any of their money. Does that make sense? Ooh, we're green, almost at target here on the NQ long. Yes, you can manually stop the bot. Like I could move this down and kind of get out of this trade earlier. You can take your stop loss and move it up. Absolutely. You can turn it off for the day. Like right now, we're up over $800 on the day. You could take that money and be done. Just like in this gold trade, you could just exit the trade right here and you'd be green $1,200 on the day. If you guys want more information about the auto trading system, please email me. It's the easiest way to get in touch. I will never follow you on TikTok. I will never message you on TikTok. If you get a message after this live stream, it is not me. That is a huge red flag. It's somebody impersonating me, trying to sell you crypto, and it's not me. I don't trade crypto. I only trade futures. The bot is $500. No, I'm not going to explain that, user. The bot is $500 for the first 21 days. It's a trial period, and then after that, it's $1,000 every month. Mike just posted his results. He's green about $600, $700. Nice job, Mike. Carbon, my email's right here on the screen. boldbotllc@gmail.com. It's right on the screen. Please look there. It's also in my bio. boldbotllc@gmail.com. No, Tater Tot. I didn't mean in the chat. Oh my God, Tater Tot. I'm saying show love in the results channel. Oh my god, like push the emojis. And then you're like, oh, I'm still in evaluation. I'm still in evaluation. Y'all. Yeah, this is all live. It's currently 10:12 on May 23rd. If you want more information, just email me. We go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30. Also, Jen, my co-pilot, she will be live from 2 to 3 p.m. today. So please check her out. She is going to be live every single day this week from 2 to 3 p.m. Yes, Eric, that is correct. Sorry, there's some questions on YouTube I missed. The Apex discount code is SAVE80. I'm just giving it to you on the stream. It's just SAVE80. SAVE80. All right, still in this gold long for $1,200. After I pass evaluation, do I get to choose however many contracts? So no, there's no limit. Again, this is on the Apex website. Please go to the Apex website and just give it a look. It says it right here. Contracts, 10. And again, you wouldn't want to take more than like 3 or 4 because you still have the risk of losing the funded account. Yes, which one do you want? User, I've literally been showing you all of them. No one likes my joke. I've taken that student call and played 2 times on micro for a win of $50. Nice job, Jeanette. J down. The skull is so accurate. So this is gold so far today. I'll show you the real-time data. It's taken 2 trades. It had 1 loss and 1 win overnight. It had a loss of $200 and it had a win of $350. So it's green 140 on the day. And then it's in this unrealized trade of $1,200. This one, NQ, I already showed this, is green 550 on the day. It's taken 3 trades. It had 1 loss for $250 and 2 wins for $400 each. We've also had this trade today. This is 1 for 1 for $200. We've also had gold range trade today. This traded at 8 a.m. This one traded at 3 a.m. And they both made $300. So that's $600 on gold today. And they're separate, so I'll show you each one. Took 1 trade for $300. This is gold range. And then the other one was the same thing, but it's going to look exactly the same because they're both $300. And people ask, do we have losses? Yes, we have losses. Right now, this trade is not currently green. And that's okay. We'll see what happens. We'll stay on top of that. But gold is currently green, $1,200. Exactly. Kevin says, don't try to make $10K a day. Have a daily goal. Stick to it. That's so true. With a $50,000 Apex account, when it's funded, if you could just make $200, $300 per day, and if you have multiple accounts, that adds up. And then you're just withdrawing. Like, this is essentially, you know, quote unquote free money. Like, you didn't risk anything to make the money on those Apex accounts. You know what I mean? Like, you're risking what? Your $36. So we buy into the auto program and sit back and make money, or do we analyze the trading? No,
Order
it's
canceled.
100% done for you. You are not analyzing anything. There's nothing to analyze. ES is in a short green $200. ES was the one that had that $1,500 short. This was ES earlier. That's the S&P 500. It's in another short here, green 250. Where are my students? Did y'all get in on this? Where are the students? I want to hear from y'all. I haven't even looked at that 20 minutes. Signed up yesterday, finishing my strategies today. Nice, Agent Dan. Love it. 200 times 10 accounts is great money per day. Exactly. $2,000 per day. All you have to make is $200 per day. And then you're set. So this NQ trade had a loss, but it's still green, $300 on the day. So somebody asked earlier, do you guys have losses? Yes. There are losing trades. There are even losing days. It happens every now and then. So user, all of that is discussed in the group. I'm not going to go into so much detail about like the sizing and the strategies that my members take. When you join the group, there is an entire channel that is rooted in Apex. And it's right here, questions, Apex. So you can come in here and you can talk to all of the other users. There's 200 of them saying, this is the evaluation process. This is how the payouts work. This is how the trade copier works. Blah, blah, blah. So all of that is given when you join the group. Still in this gold long, ES is in that short, NQ is actually in a long, and YM is in a long. We'll see who's going to win here. Thomas, we're not telling you where we live because that's just weird and creepy. Where do you and Jen live? We're in the U.S. That's all you need to know. Yeah, no one is telling you the state we live in, Thomas. That is fucking weird. That is so weird. Exactly. There are so many stalkers, and then people think like you're just gonna freely say that information. USA. Oh my gosh. This is weird. Alright, it's 10:18. I'm gonna get off of here soon. Thanks. I love that the people in YouTube got the likes up to 23. That was so nice of you. And we got 15,000 likes. Not weird. I live in California. Okay, Thomas Tran. I'm glad you live in California and you pay insanely high taxes. I don't live in California and I'm not going to tell you where I live. It is weird. What do they say? Like, people that are trying to like pull you in will try to make you feel comfortable, so he's trying to tell me where he lives and then that will get me to tell him where I live. Yeah, no, that's not how it works. Get out of here, Evie. Still in this long on gold. I can't. It's 10:19. We're going to be back at 2 p.m., 2 to 3 p.m. So right now we are green, still the $800 from 2 gold trades and 1 NQ trade. My algo works different here in California. My account for my property taxes. That is such a mess. Like, I could never. And didn't your mayor or whoever say that they wanted to increase the state tax from like 13% to 18%? Like, get out of here.
Order submitted.
I would die. I would tell you what my state tax is, but then you would be able to narrow down where I live, and I'm not going to do that. That's why they're all moving to Florida. Yeah, there are Texas. Texas or Florida is where everyone's... Like, that's insane. How do you survive? Because, so say people, obviously, like, there's a lot of people in California that make a lot of money. So, say they're paying the highest federal tax, 30, 35%, whatever. And then you're paying another 20% to your state. So you're paying like 45, 48% of all of your money goes to taxes. Get out of here. And they just added double property transfer tax for LA. Oh, I saw that. So then people were trying to sell their houses with like free Lamborghinis or something. Just move. And then they'll have to do something about it. Tater tot, what are you talking about? You already have these. I could never live there. I would go to prison. It's hard enough with them moving to Texas. What? You would go to prison for what? I can't. Tater tot. I can't. Why? Oh, you're trying to pass Apex. Okay. All right. That's the one that people should run. Money makers. Exactly. But also, you would know that if you just scroll up, because we've been talking about it all morning. But also, you can't say you want something else and you're not running the ones that we already have. You know what I'm saying? You already have access to ones that have made $800 so far today, and you're not running those. But then you want me to give you other algorithms because you thought I was talking about another algorithm. Like, that doesn't make any sense.
Order filled.
All right, I'm going to get off of here. There's more than one Kevin. I have been shouting this entire week. No one is listening. I have to literally put people in timeout. And they're not going to get the new algos unless they're actually doing things correctly, because that's my new rule. A lot of your students do this for the time. I don't know what that means. Are you frustrated yet? Yeah. Sure thing. Tater tot, start listening. I'd say 50 is better. 50 is the best value. 50K is the best option on Apex. All right, I'm going to get off of here. Jen will be live from 2 to 3 p.m. Please follow if you don't already follow. I go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30. Just tell them where you don't live. Keep them guessing. Is it just ignore that guy? All right, we'll be back on TikTok only at 2 p.m. and then I'll be back on TikTok and YouTube tomorrow morning, 9:30 to 10:30. Please join Jen later. Give her all of the likes. Yeah, some do it full time for sure, but not many. A lot of people still have jobs because you get 401k benefits, you get regular health benefits. Like, there's a lot of reasons that you shouldn't leave your job just to manually trade. So, all right. Like, Kenny makes $1 gazillion and he still has a job because he also enjoys it and he's passionate about it. So, all right, I'm going to get off of here. It's 10:24. I have a student session in a little bit. Coming back, Lauren, tomorrow. Tater tot, I can't. The nuts. All right, bye, y'all. I'll see you later. 2 p.m. TikTok. Bye.